In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive, a process that should only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to back up your contacts or simply need to transfer your information elsewhere, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. First, let's navigate to the Pipedrive website. You'll want to head over to your favorite web browser and visit the Pipedrive homepage. If you're not familiar with Pipedrive, it's a sales CRM and pipeline management software designed to streamline your workflow. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you should see a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on Login to access your Pipedrive account. You'll need to enter your credentials here, so make sure you have your username and password ready. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the Pipedrive home screen. This is where all your magic happens. From this dashboard, click on Contacts, a crucial step as we are specifically looking to export data related to your contacts and organizations. Now, within the Contact section, select Organizations. This option allows us to organize and view the contact information associated with different companies. With the Organization section open, you'll notice various filters and customization options at your disposal. These tools can come in handy if you're looking to narrow down specific sets of data. For now, we will focus on exporting all existing data. Highlight the specific data or filters you wish to export by clicking on the corresponding checkbox or section to ensure the selection is active. Next, locate the button labeled Export Filter Results. Clicking this button initiates the export process, beginning with choosing the format in which you want your data exported. Pipedrive typically offers formats like CSV or Excel, which are handy for most purposes. Select your preferred format from the options provided. If you're unsure which one to choose, a CSV file is often a safe bet, as it is compatible with numerous services and applications. With everything set, you can now save the file to your local device. Simply follow the prompts to download the file, which may vary slightly depending on your browser settings. After the download is complete, it's a good idea to open the file and verify that all the required data has been accurately exported. And there you have it. You've successfully exported data from Pipedrive. Remember, exporting data is a crucial part of maintaining your records and backups, and Pipedrive makes it easy to manage this task efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.